Right now, there's a lot of construction going on. So if you have a project that needs to get built, you need to market to the contractors and the subcontractors, this is a good project. If the project has a clear set of drawings, a clear goal, and doesn't change, then you get high quality contractors and subcontractors. If everything is kind of amorphous and changing, all the good people are going to wander away, and you're going to get the people who are going to basically make money on that amorphous quality. So a good set of drawings is what's necessary to get a good contracting and subcontracting team. To really evaluate contractors is to really understand their process, because contractors can always show pretty work. They can always introduce you to somebody that's had a good experience with them. But the only way to get an A in this business is to have in place a process and a procedure to get those A's. So it means checklists. It means a way to evaluate subcontractors' insurance. We're now going into subcontractors' policies to look at their exclusions, because we find subcontractors have crazy exclusions. So looking at the underlying quality of insurance policies, contractors' processes, and then meeting them in person, going to their offices to see how things are actually done. There are always great contractors in every area. You just have to make sure that you found one.